Hello students, welcome to the video lecture on theory of computation. We are going to see one more example of conversion of NFA to DFA by using subset construction method. So in this example, NFA state transition table is already given, okay, and now we have to convert this into a DFA. So in this NFA, we are having 4 states. Here P is the input state or initial state and S is a final state. So first we will draw a state transition diagram. So this is P, Q, R and S. S is a final state, P is the initial state. Okay, so this is a state transition diagram for this particular NFA. So now we will draw DFA by using this subset construction method. So as we know that in case of subset construction method, we have to start from the initial state, that is P, and here the input alphabets are 0 and 1. So P on 0, where it is going? It is going to PQ. And P on 1, where it is going? P state. Now whatever the subsets here are generated, so those we are going to take as a state in case of DFA. So here the next state which we are going to take, that is PQ. And how we are calculating the transition for this PQ? So that is nothing but the transition of P on 0 union transition of Q on 0. Okay, so transition of P on 0 is PQ and transition of Q on 0 is R. So we have to take the union of these two. Okay, so that is nothing but PQ R, and same way on 1 P and R. So the next state which we are going to take, that is PR. So PQ union S, so that is PQS, and P union phi, that is P. Then the next state which we are going to take, that is PQR. So P, Q and R, you have to take the union of these all the three. So this is nothing but P, Q, R and S, and this is on 1 P union R union phi, that is PR. So the next state which we have to take, that is PQS. So on 0 PQ union R union S, that is P, Q, R and S, and on 1 PQS, P union R union S, PRS. Then the next state which we have to take, so we have taken PQ, we already P is there, PQR we have taken, PR we have taken, PQS we have taken, P is there, PR we have taken, PRS, so P union R union S, so PQS, and on 1 P union phi union S, that is PS. Then the next state which we have to take, that is PS. So PQ union S, that is PQS, and on 1 P union S. Then the next remaining is PQRS. So PQRS, take the union of all these transitions. So P, Q, R and S, and here you will get P, R and S. Okay, so now we have taken all the states which are occurring here as a state in case of DFA. So this is our state transition table for this state transition table of DFA for this particular NFA. Now from this you can draw a state transition diagram. So for example, suppose we want to draw. So we are having P state. So P state will be initial state, and here final state was S. So wherever S is occurring, so that will become your final state. Okay. So we are having P state, we are having PQ state, we are having PR state, then we are having PQR, then we are having PQS, PRS, then we are having PS, and we are having PQRS. So this state is a final state. PS is also final, PRS is also final, PQS is also final state. Okay. So now P on 0, where it is going? PQ. P on 1, it is remaining in same state. Then PQ on 0, where it is going? PQR. On 0, and on 1 it is going to PR. Then PR on 0, it is going to PQS, and PR on 1, it is going to P. Then PQR. So PQR on 0, it is going to PQRS, and PQR on 1, it is going to PR. Then next is PQS. So PQS on 0, it is going to PQRS, and on 1 it is going to PRS. Then PRS. So PRS on 0, it is going to PQS, and on 1 it is going to PS. Then PS on 0, it is going to PQS, and on 1, PS on 1, it is remaining in same state. And PQRS on 0, it is remaining in same state, and on 1 it is going to PRS. So this is a state transition diagram for this particular DFA. So hope you have understood this problem. If you have any questions, then please write it in comment section. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Enjoy learning.